Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up direct deposit with your Cash app so you can start receiving your paychecks directly to your account. Let's get started. First open the Cash app and then tap on the money tab at the bottom. I'll use this article as a reference so you can follow along. Right? At the bottom of the screen, this will bring you to your cash balance and options for managing your funds. Next, select direct deposit, this one, from the options available here. This is where you will set up your direct deposit details. Under the automatic setup section, you tap on get started and this will guide you through the process of linking your cash app to your employer or payroll provider. Now search for your employer or payroll provider by tapping their name in the search bar. Follow the prompts to log in using your employer's credentials. Then enter your username and password for your employer's payroll site when prompted. If everything's set up correctly, you will be linked to your direct deposit account. And if you have trouble logging in or don't see your employer listed, don't worry, you can still set up your direct deposit manually. Just copy your cash app routing and accounts number. To find your routing and accounts number, go back to the direct deposit, this one, section, and use the boxes next to these numbers to copy them. You can now paste these details directly into your employer or payroll provider's website. And that's it. You have completed the setup. Your paychecks will be deposited directly into your Cash App account. You can receive, okay, this one you need to remember, like you can receive up to 25,000 per deposit and $50,000 within 24 hours. So you are all set. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.